Close your eyes for one quick second and picture a map. Not a treasure map with an X, but a tiny secret map of the body. The places that make you both pause and smile when touched, just so. Now open your eyes, because I want to take you on a sharp ride into those forbidden, erogenous zones and the curious world of machines that promise new kinds of pleasure. Fast, practical, and a little spooky. Years ago, a student told me about a hotel room with a rumor. The old chair by the window had a hidden buzzer inside. People joked it was haunted, but couples who sat there said it woke something soft inside them. Not loud, not obscene, just a pulse that threaded through skin like a secret. That story stuck with me. The truth behind it, vibration plus surprise plus trust, can change how the body reads touch. Start small. The forbidden zones are not always the obvious. Try the hollow behind the ear, the pulse under the jaw, the soft inside of the wrist, the arc of the lower back, where skin meets bone. These spots carry nerves close to the surface. A whisper, a fingertip, or a low buzz can turn ordinary breath into a tip. Less is more. Explore edges, the line between touch and no touch. Pay attention to your partner's micro-reaction. A swallowed breath, a change in pulse, a little lean.
Consent first.
Curiosity second. Ask, can I? Then listen. Now into the machine. Think of it like a translator. It can say things your hands can't. Handheld massagers, small external vibrators, even a sturdy electric toothbrush at low speed can teach you a new vocabulary. The keywords are temperature, power, and permission. First test on the on. Start at the lowest setting. Watch how slow changes make big differences. Move it along skin. Don't press hard. Let the rhythm meet the breath. Try short bursts, then slow sweep. Let your partner talk you through what they feel. If they laugh, you're doing something right. Make it a duet. One person controls the machine. The other guides with voice, touch, and eye contact. Swap role. Play with timing. Sudden pauses. Then return. Add simple ritual. Blindfold for heightened sound, a warm blanket for comfort, or a cool spoon to alternate sensation. Keep a safe word.
Choose a position that lets both of you move and escape if needed.
And always prioritize comfort. Once, a couple told me they recreated that haunted chair rumor at home. An old wooden stool, a small massager hidden in the cushion, soft jazz, and an agreement to try one forbidden spot each minute. They came back laughing and learning. Some spots ignite quickly, others are slower. Machines help them map those differences without pressure or perform. Finally, keep it playful. Curiosity beats rule. Read, experiment, laugh. Be the cartographer of your own pleasure map. And treat machines as friendly tools, not magic keys. With consent, care, and a tiny bit of daring, you might discover that the true mystery is how small change. Touch and timing can open whole new rooms in the house of fear.